Yo, welcome back to Projects Gaming. My name is Cal. Today we're going to be looking at the new Jonsbo TH-360 ARGB AIO. But before we start, please subscribe, like, hit the bell notification, and leave us a comment what you think about this new cooler. And if you're in the market for gaming mouse, please check out Projects Gaming Sleeper. All right, let's get the unboxing. So this is what you get. So everything is pretty much ready to go because all the fans are already installed on the AIO. And then this is the pump. And then in this package, you get the Intel backplate, and then you get the Intel and also AMD brackets. And then in this package, these are the standoffs. Let me see where. So these are the Intel standoffs. This is for the 1700, and this is for the 1150 and the 1200. And then you have thermal paste with the spreader. And this is for mounting screws. And then you have the AMD standoffs, as well as in the package you get these radiator screws. Oh, I forgot to mention, this also came in the box. And I don't know if this will come in the international version of this, but it's something to do with ping. And to be honest, I don't really know what it is, so I'll have my colleague explain it to you.
Right, so essentially this is a software that helps you to tackle latency related issues. So it is a subscription based where you have to pay a fee, but what it does, it gives you access to regional servers. So for instance, you're in China and you're playing on the Singaporean server. With this, you can actually connect through to the Singaporean server and gives you lower ping in the game. My understanding is that it works pretty much on every major gaming platform. So there's Steam, there's Epic Games, for example.
Let's have a quick look at the all-new TH-360 AIO from Jonsbo. So this is what's included in it. We'll be using this in the Jonsbo D300 case build later on. So the TH lineup consists of two colorways. You have the black and the white. We have the black one here. And for the AI, it comes in two configurations. So you have the 360 and the 240. The TH series comes with its own set of case fans. It comes in either black or white. They have the 120, the 240, the 360 setups that come in either standard or reverse fans. Definitely plan it out as you have tons of options for case fans. Let's take a closer look at its design. The unibody one-piece 3-fan setup eliminates extra cabling. Also, you remove all the lines that you usually see when you attach three 120mm fans together. All aluminum radiator with RGB everywhere. The pump has a CPU temperature readout accented with RGB. The fan connectors are all 4-pin PWM. When it comes to performance, the TH-360 doesn't disappoint. With a pump that boosts a 2,400 RPM flow rate at a noise level less than 30 decibels, this cooler ensures that your CPU stays cool without disrupting your gaming experience. The fans individually can pump 21.46 to 62.4 CFM with a fan speed between 700 to 2,400 RPM. The fan noise maxes out around 37.3 decibels. If you want to push the limit of your CPU, you can do it with this AIO. In terms of installation, the AIO is 393 millimeters long, 123 millimeters wide, with a height of 55 millimeters. The pump itself is 72 millimeters by 85.3 millimeters by 57.5 millimeters. The AIO supports both the new platforms of AM5 as well as 1851 from Intel, so you are future-proof from that standpoint. It comes with all the hardware needed. So that's the first look at the Jonsbo TH-360 ARGB. We're going to be putting into a build very soon. We actually have it all set up over here. We're going to be putting into the D300. So in terms of just initial thoughts, I think the design is very good in terms of cable management. It's just a different way of implementing it. It's a kind of a one piece, and I do like that. We're going to be getting case fans of that type, that style as well. So we'll show you when we do the build in the D300 how it actually fully looks. The only drawback, I guess, is if one of the fans break, you kind of have to replace the entire assembly, so entire fan setup. But I don't think that's that big of an issue, because I do think it looks very clean. Even though we already finished filming the AIO already, but these came in before we actually went live with the video. So now that they're here, I guess we'll show these to you guys as well. So these are the part of the same series. So these are called the ARGB Infinity Mirror series. So we have the ZA-360, we have the 240, and we have the 120s. And they come in standard and also in reverse. So let's unbox these and have a look at them. All right, so we're gonna be opening up the 120s first. Back. So there you have it. These are the new Jonsbo case fans, the new series, and we're going to be installing these in our next build in the D300 from Jonsbo as well. So I'll leave you with a bunch of B-rolls to enjoy, and we'll see you guys in the next one.